So I just got done with the farm I'm at. About 9 acres here, not much. We're almost done soybeans. Might finish them today. We got about a 35 to 40 acre field down the road. Then we got a 12 acre field of soybeans that's a couple miles from the home farm. And then right down the road from that one, there's about an acre or two we left that were wet when we ran that, whatever field that was. So we're getting down there. So we might actually be able to finish today. If you guys can see very well, because I just realized my lens is dirty. Like I said, there's only 9 acres here, and it all fit in this Ford, and Dad's gonna be here in a minute. We're gonna get going to the other field that's 35 acres. They probably average 35 to 40 bushel, because it didn't quite, I'd say 35, because it didn't quite fill the Ford. Thank you, Dad. Brought me the lunch of champions. He wants back on the combine. I won't let him run around. Doesn't look like we're getting too much header loss. We're getting a little bit, but they're running about 13, 14% moisture, which is perfect. You don't want them too dry, otherwise they just shell on the head. But seeing what job we're doing, looks like we're doing pretty good. So I think I'm gonna either open the top sieve up for a little bit or the bottom. I got the sample pretty clean, but there's a few beans in the tailings auger. It don't look like we're spitting too many out the back though. So I'm not gonna change too much, but I'm gonna definitely try to change some because I don't want to be spitting too many out the back. Well, the belt is not broke. I wonder if I got a piece, something stuck in the cutter bar. And we are done with the bulk of our soybeans. Now we got like a 10 acre field we're gonna move to, and an acre or two on another farm that we didn't finish because they were too wet at the time, but now we're done. We are done here. We are done. So happy. That was so discouraging doing that. I mean, couldn't even go 2 miles an hour. Took a lot longer than expected, but I got 2 full bed loads off it. We're gonna move down the road, finish up 1 to 2 acres, maybe not even that. We'll be done soybean harvest. I'm so happy. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to help support the channel, the best thing you can do is hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks guys, it means a lot. We just got done with soybean harvest today. Just been grinding. Rocky, we'll get out in a minute. You can't even see Rocky. But anyway, thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for supporting the channel. We grew a lot in this last month. Just being harvesting content going up. and plan on uploading more. And just thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, guys. Peace.